You are hypocrites, you are phony, and your faux outrage, Angry Pearse, doesn't convince anybody.
Now, I put it to you, Simon, sensible Simon, I put it to you. How did you break all of these promises? Answer the question. You made pledges to people over and over again. You're Tanaiste, you want to be Taoiseach in a couple of years. You promised tax cuts every year to workers. There's no tax cuts in this budget here for what you pointed out. You said energy prices would be cheaper under Fine Gael. People have never paid more. You knew about that and you withdrew the energy credit. People now have to get €321 extra. You promised cuts in third-level fees. People are paying €500 more than they paid last year. You promised no shocks in fuel prices. You're pushing up fuel prices in terms of carbon taxes. You promised things over and over again, and you broke them one after another. So the question is very simple. Why should anybody take you seriously in relation to your latest promise that you're going to put money back into people's pockets, when the ESRI and everybody out there knows that what you've done is you've taken money out of their pockets, you've left them worse off in a €9.4 billion budget? How the hell could you do that? It's unbelievable in the middle of a cost of living crisis, Simon.
Well, you can debate the use of the word sensible, Pearse, but one thing's for sure, no one will ever call you prudent, Pearse. Had we followed the economic plans of your party, God knows where we'd be. And you have some cheek coming into this House raising the issue of college fees. Because I'm sitting beside a Minister for Higher Education who has permanently reduced fees and will continue to do in the time ahead. And you know what you did? No, you know what you did yesterday? You took to social media yesterday. You probably recognise her. She's the leader, Sinn Féin First Minister in First Minister in Northern Ireland, Michelle O'Neill. And yesterday, on your social media account, you heralded the fact that you'd managed to freeze fees at £4,855 sterling. And you put this up on your social media as though it was good news, more than twice what students in this jurisdiction pay. You are hypocrites, you are phony, and your faux outrage, Angry Pearse, doesn't convince anybody. We are reducing fees. Fees in this jurisdiction now, fees in the north are more than double, and you thought to take to social media and say this was great news. It was great news. You are hypocrites, people see through it, and that's why you're sitting over there giving out rather than actually being in government, because you've no credibility on this. You say one thing here and you do the exact opposite in Northern Ireland. Shame.